I'm finally teaching agents my brand new rental system where you can go from 0 to 30 deals in 30 days to make way more money than going after buyers or sellers alone. If you haven't seen me before, my name's Andy Coleman. I'm a 5-time Icon Award winner. I've closed over 900 transactions and consistently make over $50,000 a month by focusing on renters. I did all this as a new agent in a new state with no network or sphere. Most of you guys aren't closing enough deals right now because the housing market is in such bad shape. But I've been taking advantage of that for years. Because when you stop and think, there's actually 3 stages to every client, and nobody sees the real value in the very first one. First, people rent, then they buy, then they sell. Think of renters as easy mode, the low-hanging fruit. Buyers are hard and sellers are expert mode. But I can average $2,000 each rental deal. So if I close 30 a month, that's $60,000 in net commission. And that's not even including all the renters I turn into buyers. That's why I've built an entire career out of rentals, while most agents are still sitting open houses or doing FSBOs or door knocking. Those strategies clearly don't work anymore. Let me show you a different way to do real estate that works way better in today's slow housing market. So far, I've taught well over 700 agents around the world, and the results are wild.
My first month, I had 11 deals under contract. I think I made some obscene like $14,000.
In 1.5 months, I have closed like 18 rentals so far, 88,000.
I did 7 rental deals my first month, $13,000.
Part-time, I do about like 5 to 6 deals a month. So it'll be 39,000 or so.
In 2 weeks of signing up, I closed 6 deals and I made $10,000 in net commission.
I've definitely made probably over like 25,000 in commission.
If you're wondering, how is it even possible for all of these agents to make this much money by working with renters? It makes perfect sense when you stop and look at the numbers. Last year, Americans bought fewer homes than any year since 1995. It's been 4 years of falling house sales. It's because average days on market have tripled. Mortgage rates are high and inventory is still low. And home prices, they are outrageous. So it makes working with buyers and sellers a massive challenge because they simply can't afford it. But as all this is happening, the number of renters hit the highest level in history, over 46 million. For every 5 people that move, 4 of them are renting. That's 80% of the market. Yet everybody out there tells us not to focus on them. So why are 1.5 million real estate agents all competing over the smallest group of buyers and sellers in 3 decades, while almost nobody is working with the biggest number of renters we've ever had? It's because nobody realizes how much money you can make on rentals until now.
You have one of the more unique businesses I've ever seen in real estate, period. And I've been in the business for 23 years, and you've made a whole business of supporting renters and actually made our number 2, I think 2 years ago, as the solo producer. And I mean, $600,000 in gross commission. I know the numbers because I track numbers, and I've never seen anyone do that.
This is the best kept secret in real estate. This hasn't been oversaturated like every other strategy out there. My best month ever, I closed 42 deals by myself with no VA, no TC, no showing agents, nothing but me. And I've made over $130,000 in net commission in 1 month because renters turn into buyers. One of the very first renters I ever worked with, he ended up buying a $3.4 million house with me. So I made 85 grand in 1 deal. Plus, I did like 20 rentals that month. I know the real estate market seems tough right now, but this works all over the world. And it doesn't matter if you're new or experienced or part-time or even full-time. So before you think about quitting or getting a part-time job, give something new a chance.
Their dad abandoned the family. We are going to starve if I don't make money. I tell you so honestly, your strategy gave me the ability to make the money I needed to make in a timeline that kept me in my home. In just a few short months, I went from making $0 to making 25,000. And then that wire was there. And I had, close to $30,000 in my bank. Turned the phone around. I was like, look at my bank account. And they're like, oh my gosh, Mom, really? Whoa. The only reason I stayed in real estate is because of you.
I hit a slump before I met Andy where I didn't know where to go. I was doing Uber Eats, Ubering, all my credit cards were maxed out. I hit rock bottom, honestly.
Since you started doing the rentals, about 1 year and 3 months, how much have you made?
$250,000. I'm literally getting rich with rentals.
They were able to grow that fast because I've probably put in 30,000 hours of trial and error to figure all this out. So you guys don't have to. Here's how my rental system works. I have 3 signature strategies that I teach. It's all the different ways I've learned to generate rental leads, all the way up to closing the deals and everything in between. I have my MLS strategy, which is my personal favorite, my apartment locator strategy, and my landlord strategy. By the way, you don't have to do them all. You can pick and choose based on what type of clients you like working with. Let me explain each one. My main one is my MLS strategy, where you're going to represent tenants that want single family homes or townhouses, for example. You'll be using your MLS for this. It's the fastest way to start getting free warm rental leads and close multiple deals right away.
How long, since you started, right, did it take to get that first deal?
4 days.
In your first month and a half, how many deals did you get under contract?
Oh, total 21. So out of which 18 were rentals, a listing for sale, and 2 were buyers.
In most areas, you'll make about half a month's rent commission for working with a tenant. So if the rent is $3,000, typically the listing agent will pay you about $1,500. But even if you're in an area that pays less, let's say $300, I show you how to get your average commission way higher, closer to $1,000 per deal. So if you do 10 rentals, you could make $10,000 a month, or a lot more depending on your area. You'll learn multiple ways to do this: Facebook Marketplace, syndication, Google Business, and PPC. Kind of like levels 1 to 4, but you never have to spend $1 to start. You're gonna learn every step of the process, not just generating leads, which I mentioned have a bunch of ways to do it, but how to convert these leads into loyal clients and then how to get them across the finish line, close the deals. For example, I'll teach you which properties to post, what to say to the leads, how to work with low credit, transaction fees, picky clients, how to do zero showings with my pre-offer system, and every other step. The second is my apartment locating strategy, where you're gonna represent the tenants that want to rent apartment complexes. It's the easiest money you'll ever make in your life because essentially all you have to do is show the property, then the apartment does the rest of the work. The commission checks can be huge. Typically, you'll make anywhere from 1 month's rent commission all the way up to 2 months rent commission in some areas. So if the rent is $3,000 a month, some of these apartments will pay you $3,000 or even $6,000 for bringing them a tenant. Now, there's 2 main ways to do this. First, on Marketplace, and then I have a really cool Instagram Reel strategy. Again, 100% for free. And technically, you don't even have to be good at social media. Now, those are my 2 strategies on how to make money with tenants. My third strategy, and the way you can make the most money in real estate, is representing landlords. I call it my landlord strategy. So instead of advertising other rentals, now you'll become the listing agent. Typically, the landlord will pay you 1 month's rent commission for listing their property. So if the rent is $3,000, then again, you're gonna make $3,000 a deal, but you can make a lot more than that because you're gonna get a ton of free high quality tenant leads when you post these to your MLS. Then you're gonna cycle those leads right back into my MLS strategy. Then your landlords will turn into sellers and your tenants into buyers.
Once I got a little bit better at learning how to list property, I ended up taking about 4 landlords in total to go ahead and represent them. And so for me, just the last couple months, I'd say it's about 12 transactions or so.
Now, those are my main strategies I teach for rental deals. However, we still want to get sales. There's 2 ways to do this: active and closed. You're going to turn your active rental leads into sales today, meaning you're going to be able to convince some of your rental leads to buy or sell instead of rent. It's actually a way better way to get sales because we get so many rental leads. And most of the agents I've taught, they're gonna get a sale within their first month or 2.
I had the craziest month I've ever had in real estate. So it was around like $43,000 to $45,000. I got a buyer, I got a listing, and 17 rentals in 1 month.
Second month, I got 7 deals. And I actually got 2 home buyers from it.
But there's still another way to get buyers or sellers, which is the more obvious one. You're gonna turn all your closed rentals into buyers or sellers in the future. So once a tenant moves in, at least 30% are gonna use you in a couple of years. Then those buyers will eventually sell their house with you. Remember, renter, buyer, seller. We're gonna get all 3. And I haven't even mentioned all the referrals you're gonna get because we close so many deals. But since you'll have so many leads and clients, you need to know how to properly organize and become efficient at everything you do. You'll learn all my systems and processes, my 24-hour, 4-day follow-up sequence, my clipboard system, how to save time on every step, sales and communication skills, hour-by-hour schedules, bottlenecks, and it's everything you need to replicate me closing 20 to 40 deals a month. That's why I refer to this as my rental system. It's not just one thing you're gonna learn. It's a combination of a lot of different things. And honestly, this stuff is very easy once you learn it. Because remember, most likely you're just going to be doing one of the strategies I talked about. Even if you're already doing rentals, there's so much you need to learn that you probably never thought of.
So when getting with you, I've definitely doubled my numbers in my production. So the first thing I remember telling you, I was kind of hesitant on joining because I'm already doing well, but just going through your profile, seeing everything that you've been able to accomplish, all I can do is thank you and praise what you have in this program. There's a lot of different tips and tricks that I wasn't aware of and that I didn't know that I incorporated into my strategies as well. First month with you, I believe I closed 28, it was April. So 23 in April. And then in May, it was around 19 or 20 or so that I closed in that month as well. And from 10K, and I went to 30K for my first month with virtual rentals.
Sterling did 42 deals in his first 2 months. Now, he was already doing like 6 or 7 rentals a month, but I just filled in all the gaps he was missing so he could scale way quicker. It's honestly a cheat code to cutting years down on your learning curve. Let me break down how I teach. You're going to immediately get 3 things when you join: an entire training platform, a weekly Zoom call with me, and a 24/7 community. The training platform is essentially my life's work. It's separated into different sections for each strategy, so it's very easy to go through and start right away. Each strategy has a drop-down menu with custom trainings, videos, SOPs, guides, outlines, spreadsheets, diagrams, scripts, and step-by-step instructions of exactly what to do each part of the way. But if you still have questions, I'm here for you every week on a live coaching call that I hold on Zoom every Wednesday at noon for the entire group. I will be there to personally guide you and mentor you for as long as you need. I really just want to make sure you guys succeed. The calls are optional, so you don't have to come because they are all recorded, and I put each one into the training platform. I also created the most amazing community in real estate with the 700 plus realtors that have joined over the years. It's an extremely active 24/7 support group on WhatsApp where you can ask any question any time of the day. Either me, my team, or one of the hundreds of elite agents all across the world will be there to help. Now, let me take you through the timeline after you join. It takes about 5 or 6 hours to learn enough to start implementing this. Within your first day or two, you'll have free warm rental leads coming in and start generating dozens a day.
Every morning, I probably wake up to about 30 leads, and throughout the day, probably get another 20.
So here, and it goes, these are all of my leads. It's easy peasy. Like, it really is easy peasy.
By day 3, you should have showing set up and offers being put out. Like I mentioned earlier, the average agent I teach closes a rental within 4 or 5 days of starting and closes 5 or 6 rentals in their first month and gets their first buyer around month number 2. But as you saw earlier, some agents do a lot better than that. If you can find a way to sign up, this is a massive opportunity. I promise you'll never have to worry about where your next closing will come from for the rest of your career, no matter what happens to the market.
I wake up every single day knowing what I need to do. Like, money aside and commission aside, this is probably the most valuable thing I've learned from the program is waking up, knowing what I need to do, and then going to bed feeling like I did everything I need to do.
I only charge a one-time sign-up fee, and it's very reasonable. I swear to you, there's no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no renewals. I keep this simple, but I do have financing options if you want. I really designed this so you can make your investment back after your first deal. By your second, you're already profiting, which happens in your first couple weeks if you just copy what I teach and put the effort in.
I joined your program and I was able to recover my investment within first week itself.
So I only want agents that are willing to work. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you put the time in, this works 100% of the time because it's rentals. They're easy and we're in a renter's market, and this strategy hasn't been oversaturated yet. If you're ready to start, you can go to the second page on my website, richardrentals.com, to see the price and sign up. But if you still have a few questions, you could always book a call with me below. Now, before you go, since I talk to thousands of agents, let me clear up the biggest question you might be thinking. Will it work in your market? As long as you have enough rentals in your MLS, then yes. I like to say at least a few hundred within an hour or two of you. Or if apartments pay you to bring them a tenant, then it also works. I'm going to put up a list of all the areas I know that work really well, but again, you can always set up a call with me if you have more questions or check out my FAQ. Remember, you can make tens of thousands of dollars a month when you learn how to work with renters and still close more sales than the average agent. I promise you will be wildly impressed. Hopefully, I'll see you in the group and on the Wednesday calls.